Hi, class. Now, I'd like to talk about, I'd like to share 3 tips for better speaking. Because there are lots of students in Bangladesh who are, taking a spoken courses several times, but still they cannot speak in English properly. They have severe problems. But from my experience, I'd like to share 3 tips. Number one, if you really want to speak in English always, 24/7, then you have to develop a positive mindset. And what is it? That at the time of speaking, you will literally make lots of mistakes, but you should not take it seriously. You may learn something from there, but you shouldn't take it seriously. You shouldn't be worried about it that, okay, fine. Oh, well, sorry, I'm making mistakes and maybe because of it, I can't speak in English. No, it's wrong. Because without making mistake, you can't speak in English. You can't speak in any language in the world. So making mistake is the first step for speaking any language, not only English, for any language. So you have to develop that mindset. Despite of making mistakes, you still continue. You have to continue your speaking. Secondly, you have to find out a close friend with whom you can practice English 24/7, who will not criticize you for making mistakes. Rather, he will inspire you. And maybe he will be pretty much good at English. It would be better for you to talk with someone who is good at English because he can suggest you, he can fix your problems, right? So find out a good friend who will talk to you. Okay. And finally, the most important thing that you should do, if you don't do, if you don't follow the first 2 steps, at least you have to follow the last one that I'm talking about. And that is, you have to talk with your family members. You have to talk with your father. You have to talk with your mother. You have to talk with your small brother or sisters. Because when you talk to them, when you will share your opinion, your thoughts, your ideas with them in English, trust me, you will get huge confidence. Because how did we learn Bangla? We learned Bangla by talking with our family members, not with with our neighbors. Yeah, neighbors are also the part of it, but mostly we talked with our family members, right? So if you really want to speak in English properly, then you have to talk with your family members, right? So every day. So share your idea or thought with your family members that from today, I will speak in English with you. Maybe I will make mistakes, but please don't criticize me. Help me out. I think after 7 or 10 days, I will be a good English speaker. At least I will get confidence to speak in English, and I will maybe I'll not be that much afraid of speaking English after 7 days, right? So these are the 3 tips that you can follow for better speaking. I think it will really change your speaking pattern and confidence in the future. Thank you.